There he goes on his balance bike. Day 5 in Moab, and we headed down south to Needles District at Canyonlands, and we just showed up to the Newspaper Rock petroglyph section. So we're gonna do that, let Bubba run around just a minute, and then we'll head on into Canyonlands. What do you think, Regina?
It's pretty cool. I don't know why some of those feet have 6 toes though.
Found us a cool little campground at Canyonlands Needles District. This is the Elephant Hill campground here. They got real cool campsites on both campgrounds here at the Needles District. And we decided to pull in and make us a little lunch. Barrett's running around running some steam off. There he is right there. Come on, buddy. You're the star of the show. Oh, you're gonna fall down the hill. I'm happy he won't touch the ground. He's having fun running around everywhere here. But we're up against this real big rock. Got all our junk out on the picnic table. Heating up some water for some real fancy lunch here. We got some instant mac and cheese. And I think we're going to do grilled cheese sandwiches. Gorgeous campground, gorgeous place. Just not a whole lot to do here in the Needles District unless you're hiking or doing the 4x4 only roads that they have. Well, Barrett's back here watching SpongeBob or Cat in the Hat or something. So he's about to pass out. We're driving down Elephant Hill Road, the Needles District. And you just have a gorgeous view. Sure, it doesn't look nearly good on camera as it does in person, but right here's the Needles section. You can see if I can zoom in here. We don't get much zoom on this little camera, but we get a little bit. Back there on the skyline, it looks real cool in person. It's like a bunch of skyscrapers. Well, last Saturday of the year in 2025, and we decided to take the Sal Mountain Pass Scenic Byway. So we're not very long into this drive, just a few miles, and we're already up above Moab, which is the town all behind me here. And then you can see the LaSalle's in front of me, covered by clouds. We are the Sal Mountains at Lake Uwa. A little bitty lake, more like a big pond, but frozen over. You got somebody out here ice fishing. Snow on the road on the way up. Beautiful little side detour with snowy little dirt road. Aspens and spruces and pines everywhere. It's just really gorgeous. There's spillway for the dam that I'm standing on right there. There it's slipping and sliding on the ice over here. We're not going to keep him out very long. We don't have, we forgot to bring his gloves with us, so he's going to be getting cold pretty quick. Today we headed into Canyonlands Island and Sky District and going to do a little sightseeing, super short hikes, and call it a day. So here's the Shafer Trail. This is what we drove up in the Jeep the other day. Seeing the ram right there on that corner. The problem with Canyonlands and a lot of stuff out west is take pictures and film it, but it just looks nothing like it does in person. So these videos probably won't show up, be super dramatic on video, but they are in person. We're going to be going by Grand Canyon South also on this trip, and we'll see what Regina thinks, but I've been to both already, and I think Canyonlands is the better park out of the two, better canyon views and whatnot.
This is the Grand View Overlook. Absolutely stunning.
Me and Barrett are over here just enjoying the raven that's like 5 foot from us. These are so big. Where's he at? There he is. We're gonna go try and do Mesa Arch, and we'll see how this backpack adventure goes. But hopefully he likes it. It's about a mile, so it'll be a good one to try him out on. So far, he don't like not moving, that's for sure. So far, so good, little Barrett. He's a little bit too big for this carrier, so this will be the one and only trip we get to use it on. Well, we made it through the arch. Barrett's doing okay so far. And we got the pictures that we wanted, right, Regina? Oh,